In this session, we will learn how to set up tax reciprocities in the construction payroll for Sage Intacct. Go into Applications, Construction Payroll, and click on Tax Reciprocity. In here, you can create your own rules by clicking Create New, defining the effective date, define your resident tax identifier or tax categories. In this case, we'll say if an employee resides in Iowa for state unemployment and they work in this state, let's say Illinois, we want the system to not give them Illinois state income tax, but still withhold Iowa state income tax. So we can build a specific reciprocity rule, and there's a lot of different options here. Earn both, withhold for the higher rate, take the resident, take the work. In this scenario, we're going to say take the resident tax only. So then the system will give them, Illinois for other areas, but for state unemployment, state income tax, only give it to the resident tax. So it'll charge them Iowa, not Illinois. Now, what's really nice about this also is you also have the ability to import these rules in the system right here, and using the help in the help.cloudpayrollengine.com for the construction payroll, you could simply type in import tax, and you'll look up the one that says import file tax reciprocities. They have actually already built import tax reciprocity spreadsheet for you with all of the known reciprocities throughout the country. You can simply come into here, click tax reciprocity. It'll download that file to your local machine. Then you can proceed to come back into your tax reciprocity rules, click import, very similar to what we did for taxes earlier. Click import rows, update data files, and you'll see there's the file I downloaded, tax reciprocity. It'll load up that sheet, and it'll load up the tax reciprocity rules. I can click continue. And again, it'll confirm all the columns. You click review, and now it'll show you all of your reciprocities that it's set up and what the effective dates are. Click continue and submit. And then just like with the taxes, you have to click save records before they save. And it's going to error out because I already had these imported, but for you, it would import 66 records for you. Click OK. And now if you notice, if you go back into tax reciprocities, you'll see all of the different rules that may or may not apply to your company's scenarios, but at least they're already installed in the system and you can edit them as you need to. Thank you.